So welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn how to use shapes to create some different things here and there. So the first thing we're going to do is that we are going to create the life cycle of a butterfly. Life cycle of a butterfly. So the butterfly has 4 different faces, and the first one is of course egg, larva, pupa, and adult, the real butterfly now. So we're going to use circles to create the life cycle. I'm going to insert. You go to insert here, insert tab, and then you choose shapes. And then you choose the circle. You draw the cycle like that, and yeah. So we're going to work on this circle, and then after we finish, and then we can copy and paste 4 times because we have the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult butterfly. So I'm going to right-click this and say add text. Then I'm going to write egg in here, and then I'm going to highlight, go home, and then increase the font size. And then I want to change the fill color and the outline color. The outline is the outer part that you can see here. Yeah, so if I use this arrow, yeah, and then I'm going to take this from here. So this, you can see this, the outer line here is what we call the outline. That's the outline, and in here, yeah, if I change that outline color to black, whatever I'm pointing at is the fill color. This in here, and then the outer color here, that's the outline color. So I'm going to double click the shape, this round shape. You click to the edges, yeah. Then you can see the 4 arrows, the up, left, right, and down arrow. Not inside. Inside you will see the cursor, but along, or rather just near the edge of the shape, you can see the 4 arrows. Double click, and then you can see shape fill, outline, shape outline, and shape effects. If I click out here, you won't see them, but I have to double click in here. Then I say shape fill, I can choose that, and shape outline, I can choose something like that. Yeah, so we have our shape finished, and then I'm going to copy and paste. Copy and paste is Ctrl+C. So I'm going to select the shape by those 4 arrows. You can see those 4 arrows. You click and then you press Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+V. But we have 4 of them, and then we drag down, we drag right here, we drag left. So we have our 4 circles there. Then we can change this to lava. Yeah, actually this text is too much, so I can highlight this, go home, make it 16. Yeah, or I can click on one of them, press Control so that I can highlight. You click when you see the pointer and the plus. Yeah, here, the pointer and the plus, and then this one. So after highlighting all of them, you can come here and say 16. You change everything. 16 is still big because the circles are not really big enough, so I can say 14. Or you can write here 15 if you want 15, and press enter. So that's 15 is enough. Looks like it's enough. Larva, pupa, and this is adult. That's adult. So we are done with the 4 circles. Let's now go and insert another shape. So insert shapes. I want to insert the arrow, this one. I'm going to put the same shape fill, that one, and outline this one, or you can just click here because we had set for the round shapes, for the circles. You can just click here for the outline and for the shape fill. It's the same thing. And then this one, we are also going to Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, so that we have the pointers that are going to point to the different faces or circles. Actually, it's faces, not circles. So we can rotate like that. This shape is very small, so we can click like that and increase it. You see that? Yeah, they are going to be the same size. If you click and hold the control as you click, then you can make them as big as you want. Yeah, the computer is all about, you know, the same, what can I say? There's elements with the same sizes, with the same, they just have to be the same so that we maintain the uniformity. Yes, so yeah, that's how you rotate. You click on the green color here, the green whatever placeholder here, and then yeah, that's it. That's how you create the life cycle of a butterfly. Yeah, if you want to create maybe how the computer works, you can come and insert something like a text box here, draw text box. So you draw it like that. Yeah, we can actually insert, yeah, we can insert the text box, and this text box is going to have input. Let's say we make all the text to be all caps, and then we change that text to something like Arial black, increase the size like that. All right, and then align this text center like that. So that is the input. And then we can click at the edge of the text box there, here on the line, outline, and then come to outline and say weight. Let's make the weight to be a little bit big, something like that. And then shape outline, something like that. And then the text also can be the same. So that's the input. We can insert another shape, arrow shape, but I can just copy this, click and Control C, Control V, bring it here, and then yeah, so like that. So input, we're going to copy this input. You just click on the edge, Apoco edge, like that, and then Control C, Control V, Control V, because there are two of them. This one goes here, and this one goes here, right? And then we click this, and then press Control, click that, and click that, and we can make those a little bit small. Oh, they can't be. If they can't be, just Control Z to go back. And we can just click on this, press Control, click that. I'm pressing Control right now, and then we can move them left like that. Yeah, and then this one we can move it a little bit to the right. Yeah. And then this one, Control C, Control V, so that we bring it here. So the computer begins from input and then process, and then this is output. So I can click on this, hold the Control. As I click the others, go home, and then reduce the, I can say 12 because this is supposed to be processing. Excuse me. Yeah, so that is just how you do it. I'm holding the Control button, and then like that, and then I can move them down a little bit. So input, processing, output. Very simple. Alternatively, you can create those using the SMARTART. So you come to Insert, SMARTART, and then I can choose Process, and then you can choose the process that you want here. Which one? Which one is which one? Which is which? This one? Let's see what this one is talking about. Oh, actually we can move this. Let me just undo and then go to File, New. I want to create that on a new page. Insert, SMARTART, and then cycle. Even the cycle that we just did, we can just do it with the SMARTART, and then we can delete one because these are 5. So you come to this last one, press backspace, and then you have 4. Yeah, because that is the last. That is the last one, adult, and then this is pupa, and then this is lava, and then this is egg. Yeah, so we are done, but we are not doing that. We want to do the process. Insert SMARTART, and then process. We take which one did we take? This one here, and then okay. Yeah, so this is input, and then processing, and then this is output. Yeah, and then you click on one of them, press Control, click the other one and the other one. All right, and then you right click and say Format, Shape. Come to solid, make sure the solid fill here is checked, and then you change that to the color that you want. And then, did I do that? Right click, Format, Shape, solid fill, come here, choose the color that you want. Oh, I did not click well. Yeah, that is the process. Then the good thing with this is that you can move it around. How do you move it around? You remember when we were doing the pictures, you right click on the picture. So we are going to right click on the whole thing. This one, not this, this one, the whole the one that is holding the right click, and then go to wrap text and then tight, so that you can move it around. You see now it's moving like the picture. Yeah, so that's how you use shapes. You can use the shapes in different ways. And then on shapes, you can still create something like the head of a person. Just click, go to Insert, Shapes, choose the shape that you want, draw it. Yeah, then double click, go to Shape Fill, Black, Shape Outline, No Outline. That's the head. And then you can insert another shape, that round shape, and then create the eye here, and then move it a little bit to the left. This eye is supposed to be white, like that. Shape outline, no outline. And then I'm gonna take this eye, Control C, before that, I want to put the inner part of the eye, insert another shape, the circle, but I'm going to draw it like that. Yeah, this is just using the shapes, and then you can move it up with the navigation arrows on your keyboard. So this thing is going to be black again with no outline. Shape outline, no outline. Yeah, that's enough. Click on this and click the bigger eye. Click the bigger eye and the inner eye, Control C, Control V, and then put it there. Yes, and then come here, insert another shape. This love shape, draw it. This is going to be our nose. You rotate it like that, and then put it over there. That is going to be our nose. Shape outline, no outline. And then we insert another shape for the mouth. the one that looks like a banana here, and then we draw it. We rotate it. We rotate it very well, and then we put it there. Double click, shape fill, white, shape outline, no outline. Yeah, we have our face there. Then we can insert another shape. That circle, draw it like that for the ear. Big ears. Double click, shape fill, black, shape outline, no outline. Then we can copy, Control C, Control V. But remember, you highlight it first. You click on it to highlight it, Control C, Control V. And then you can bring it there. My God, this is beautiful. We have our head over there. Anyway, that's how you use shapes to create different things. So you can go and discover more. Yeah, is there any other shape here that we can use to, let me see. Like this one. Let's see if we can put some hair for the man. Tumweke nywele, double click, shape fill, that black, shape outline, no outline. Oh, shape outline, no outline. Mweke hata nywele. Rastafara. Yes. Kuna hiyo kunyoa, vijana wananyoanga kama hii. Wananyoa hapa kando, and then yeah, look at that. Look at that. So this is beautiful. You can discover more and more and more. So that is it. And yeah, we are done with the inserting of shapes and SMARTART.